Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore how to master Canva's presentation tools to enhance your delivery. Whether you are preparing for a professional business meeting or a school assignment, utilizing these features will significantly improve your skills. Let's begin. First, ensure your design is fully completed within Canva. Once you are satisfied with the layout, move your cursor to the upper right-hand corner of the interface. Look for the Present button and click it. This action opens the setup window where you can select various advanced settings and styles that best fit your specific needs. Within this setup menu, the most important step is selecting the Presenter View option. This specific tool is incredibly useful because it allows your audience to see the slides while providing you with a private dashboard of controls. It improves your communication by offering a dedicated view of your speaker notes, which helps you talk more naturally and stay focused on your key points. After selecting Presenter View, simply click the Present button to go live. Now you are ready to lead the session. The beauty of Canva's Presenter View is how it simplifies multitasking. You can easily manage your slides on one screen while keeping a close eye on your notes, which are displayed on the right side. This layout is perfect for staying organized and preventing any long pauses during your talk. These notes are your secret advantage. They remain hidden from the audience, so feel free to include bullet points or full scripts to guide your speech. Using this feature will boost your confidence and ensure a fluid delivery. Additionally, practicing your timing and flow within this mode is highly recommended. Rehearsing your presentation here allows you to see exactly how much time you spend on each slide, giving you the chance to make necessary adjustments. This preparation is key to delivering a truly captivating performance. In summary, leveraging Canva's presentation features, especially the Presenter View, is a fantastic way to maintain a professional image and keep your audience engaged. Spend some time getting used to these tools to ensure your future presentations are impactful. Thank you for watching this tutorial on presenting with Canva. I hope these tips prove useful for your upcoming projects.